In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video in Shotcut Video Editor. If you've already finished editing and you're ready to turn your project into a single shareable file, exporting in Shotcut is straightforward. Think of exporting as the process of baking all your clips, audio, and effects into one final video. Before you start, it's a good idea to save your project so the latest changes are included. At the top left of Shotcut, click File. From that menu, choose Export. This opens the export window where Shotcut prepares the file you're about to create. In this dialog, select Video/Audio, so you're telling Shotcut to render a standard video file. Next, choose where you want to put the finished file. Pick a folder that's easy to find, like your videos folder or a project folder you've set up. Give the file a clear name so you'll recognize it later. By default, Shotcut uses the widely compatible MP4 format, which plays nicely on phones, computers, and most streaming sites, so it's a safe choice for sharing. Make sure you have enough free space in that folder, especially for longer projects, then click Save. Shotcut will immediately begin exporting your MP4 file. Look to the top right of the Shotcut interface for the Jobs panel. You'll see a new job appear there, along with a progress indicator and a time estimate. That time frame is Shotcut's best guess at how long the export will take. It depends on the length of your video, the effects you used, and the speed of your computer. While the export runs, you can let it finish without clicking anything else. Avoid closing Shotcut or shutting down your computer until the job is complete. If your system feels slower during export, that's normal. Rendering uses a lot of processing power. You can keep an eye on the progress bar, and when it reaches 100% and shows that it's done, your file is ready. Once the job finishes, go to the folder you chose, and you'll find your exported video as an ordinary MP4 file. Double-click to play it and confirm everything looks and sounds the way you expect. It's now ready to share, upload, or archive as your finished project. And that's all there is to it. You clicked File, Export, selected Video/Audio, chose a destination, and saved, then waited for the job to complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.